Friends, so I'm back with another video on latest Gulf jobs today. In today's video, you will get job for all the Gulf countries. All category jobs are available. Apart from Gulf countries, there are jobs for Nigeria and Italy as well. And as always, I have included few free recruitments to this video. So please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity. And friends, in case of any queries or if you need my guidance or help, I'm always there to help you guys. You can just need to join my WhatsApp group. You can message me there. You can call me anytime. So friends, let's start the video. The first posting is for Saudi. It's a long-term job and free recruitment. Client interview will be held shortly. And the positions are field safety supervisors, field civil supervisors, field piping supervisors, mechanical supervisors, electrical supervisors, and instrumentation supervisors. So all field related jobs. Candidates should have sufficient experience in their respective fields. So shortlisting in progress. Attractive salary plus other benefits will be provided by company like free food, accommodation and transportation. So friends, the offices for these postings are Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi and Baroda. You can see their contact details like WhatsApp numbers, mobile numbers and email IDs are clearly mentioned for all four locations. So you can choose any of your nearest location and send your documents immediately. Next is also a free recruitment. It's a short term project and large requirement in the numbers. It's a free recruitment client interview shortly at Mumbai, Chennai, Cochin, Baroda and Delhi. So the positions are turnaround execution manager, deputy turnaround execution manager, site superintendent, area engineer, mechanical or piping, workshop engineer or coordinator, in charge HSC coordinator, lead HSC, HSC trainer, safety officer or supervisor, housekeeping coordinator, QA/QC engineer, QC inspector, NDT coordinator, instrumentation supervisors, QA/QC inspector, lead E&I, instrument control specialist, electrical or instrument supervisors, rigging superintendent, supervisors rigging, supervisors mechanical piping, PWHT welding, material coordinators, store supervisors, lead planning or mechanical and piping, area planner, technical support, cost engineer, PTW coordinator or job performer. The positions are 200 openings for PTW coordinator or job performer. Then maneuver or costing supervisor, ENP engineer, mobile plant supervisor and transport coordinator ENP. So friends, you can see there are multiple openings almost for all categories, and this is for UAE. It's a free recruitment, so there will be no service charge. All candidates should have 3 to 5 years of Gulf experience in oil and gas shutdown projects. Shortlisting is in progress. So the offices for these postings are Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai, Baroda and Delhi. So as I said, you can see all the contact details, WhatsApp numbers, mobile numbers and email IDs for all five locations. You can take a screenshot if needed so that you can have the details handy when you apply for these positions. Next is for Saudi Alfanar. It's a free recruitment and shortlisting is in progress. The position is better. Bachelor's in hotel management, prior experience limited to 5-star hotels. Height has to be 174 and above. Any and very good English and good looking, good communication skill. So shortlisting will held between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday at Asia Power. Attractive salary, OT, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. So friends, if you need the contact details, I will add that in a description for you. This is by Asia Power Mumbai. Next is for Qatar, and it's an urgent requirement for oil and gas construction project. The positions are mechanical foreman, painting foreman, scaffolding foreman, piping foreman, rigging foreman, welding foreman, then civil foreman, piping supervisor, scaffolding, rigging, safety, welding, and civil supervisors. So you can see there are foreman and supervisors category jobs. Overseas experience is mandatory for all these positions. ITI or diploma with minimum 5 years of experience in oil and gas construction project is desirable. So if you wish to apply for any of these above positions, then sin10@synclus.com is the email ID for this posting. So friends, don't forget to like the video. You can share your feedback in the comment section. If you have any queries, you can write it down in comment. So don't forget to like the video. This is for Nigeria, and it is for a refinery expansion project. The positions are process design engineers, civil design engineers, instrument design engineers, electrical design engineers, piping layout design engineers, and thermal design engineers. All above positions must have relevant qualifications and minimum 10 years of similar experience in oil and gas, refinery, and petrochemical plants. So if you wish to apply for any of these positions, then bar@synclus.com is the email ID for this posting. Friends, you can share this video with your friends, or in the groups where you have associated or added the groups related to Gulf or overseas jobs, so that people can get benefit of these genuine job postings. This is for Dubai, for a leading facilities management company. Large requirement. Final client interview on 7th of November at Delhi. And the positions are BMS operators, 40 openings, electronic technicians, 20, mechanical technicians, 20, MEP technicians, 20, multi-skilled technicians, HVAC technician, plumber, and maintenance carpenters. So BMS operators 40 openings, rest all are 20 openings for each position. All candidates should have diploma or bachelor's degree in engineering, diploma, ITI with experience in building maintenance or MEP, preferably with maintenance experience in hotel, hospital, and shopping malls. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation. And if you wish to apply for any of this position, then sigil delhi1@gmail.com is the email ID, and you can see the contact numbers on WhatsApp numbers on the left hand side. So friends, these all consultants, they are registered and approved by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. So they are the genuine consultant. I'm always trying to bring the genuine job openings so that you should not face any fraud, but still it is your duty to be careful all the time. So this is for Saudi. Mechanical QCI static API 510 certification is required. Mechanical QCI rotating mechanical QCI tank API 653 certification is required for mechanical QCI tank. 3 years working experience, BS degree in engineering, ME, EE, CE, etc. Food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. So it BS degree in engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, like that. Good English communication skill is must for these positions. And jyoti.v@dss-hr.com is the email ID for this posting, and you can see the contact number on right hand side. You can take a screenshot. Next is for Saudi. Client interview will be on 12th of November in Mumbai. The positions are iron worker, mechanical foreman, mechanical supervisor, painting and insulation supervisor, pipe fitter, piping foreman, piping supervisor, plate welder 3G, rigger level 3 and 1, QC inspector, steel structure foreman and steel structure supervisor, structure supervisor, support foreman, TIG welder 6G, and work permit receiver. So friends, you can see the positions and the number of openings are clearly mentioned in the posting. And if you wish to apply for any of these positions, then you can send your CV on resume.rki@gmail.com. So food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. You can see the WhatsApp number, they have clearly mentioned. So you can send your relevant documents along with updated CV on that WhatsApp number. And for a safer side, always send an email as well. It takes only 4 to 5 minutes. So always be safer side, send email and on WhatsApp as well. So you can see the contact numbers of Mr. Srivastava and Thakur is given. Next is for a long-term job at Saudi for a leading oil and gas company. The positions are safety officer, SABIC approved preferred, HVAC technician, estimation manager or tendering manager. For tendering manager and estimation manager, civil, electrical and pipeline experience in oil and gas with 10 years of experience. Electromechanical shutdown manager, plant shutdown specialist in oil and gas with 10 years of experience. So below categories required in Saudi Aramco project experience oil and gas. The positions are civil estimation engineer, mechanical estimation engineer, estimation engineer HVAC and firefighting. All candidates must have 4 plus years of experience. Gulf experience is mandatory. So friends, you can see the contact details like WhatsApp numbers and the normal calling number. Email ID is mechanical@indiapersonnel.com. Next is for this is for Saudi, and interviews will be in Kochi on 20th of November. Korean company experience required, Aramco experience preferred. So the positions are admin engineer, quality control supervisor, procurement, work permit receiver, electrical QC field inspector, then instrument QC field inspector, material control engineer, material control assistant, tool keeper, safety supervisor, safety officer, driver, heavy and light, electrical supervisor, instrument supervisor, electrical foreman, instrument foreman, electrical technician and instrument technician, electrical technical fitter, instrument fitter, calibrator, loop folder, welder, arc, 3G, 4G structure, 6G, TIG and arc welder, CSSS. So candidates must have 5 to 10 years of experience. Attractive salaries. So friends, you can see the email ID is kochi team1@asiapowerlimited.com. You can see the WhatsApp number and contact numbers are clearly mentioned in the posting. If you wish to apply for any of this position, then apply immediately. Interviews will be on 20th of November at Kochi. Next is for Saudi again, for a Korean company, urgently required for a leading Korean company. Shortlisting is in progress. Aramco approval required, CBT required. The positions are rigger level 3, Aramco certified planner or scheduler, safety supervisor, safety officer, scaffolding inspector, heavy equipment inspector, electrical inspector, PTW coordinator, QC piping supervisor, welding, electrical, then QC civil inspector, building inspector, RTR piping, steel structure, piping, preservation, QC preservation, static and piping. These all are inspector level positions. Then RT film interpreter, entity coordinator, electrical inspector, QC instrument inspector and QC coating insulation inspector. So friends, you can see there are many inspector level and supervisor level positions. Most of them are QC positions and safety. So must have Aramco experience, certified WSAP number, reference, must have Aramco transmittal document. HSC candidate must have valid and verifiable QHSC certifications. QC candidates preferably with CBT pass document. Aramco experience with transmittal but W out CBT is also acceptable. Proficient in MS Office applications, good English communication skills. So attractive salaries plus free food accommodation will be provided by company. So this posting is also by Asia Power Mumbai. I will add their contact details in this video description, so you can take it from there. This is for Kuwait and this is also from Asia Power, but here the email address is given. So friends, you can use the same email address for the all previous posting by Asia Power where the number and email ID were not mentioned. You can send on the same email ID and just put your job title in the subject line so that they will scatter the CVs. So this is for Kuwait and this is for a carpentry division. Shortlisting in progress. Gulf experience would be preferred. The positions are furniture carpenter, specialized in manufacturing wooden doors and cabins. Then painters, finishing or multi-skills. So attractive salary, free food and accommodation and transportation will also provided by company. So friends, you can take a screenshot of this detailed job description and you can read it carefully before you apply. So friends, the email ID for this posting is sharmila@asiapower.co. So you can send the documents on this email ID for all previous posting as well. This is for UAE and the position is IT sales executive. Shortlisting in progress, Gulf experience is required. Degree in IT engineering with 4 to 5 years of experience in public sector, IT sales in UAE region. Able to communicate in English and Arabic. Proficiency with MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Visio, MS Project. Familiar with tenders by bidding, RFP and RFQ processes. So attractive salary, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. So friends, you can send the documents on the previous email ID as I said. This is for Qatar. Shortlisting in progress, Zoom interview shortly. 3 years of abroad experience is must for all these positions. The positions are painting superintendent and painting manager. So for both the position, experience range is 10 to 15 years. The detailed requirements is given. You can take a screenshot of this job description and read it carefully later on. Attractive salaries, free food, accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Italy, onshore job. The position is telecom engineers. Candidates having 10 years of relevant experience in oil and gas security systems, access control, public address, general alarm, institution detection, CCTV, radio, LAN, maybe apply immediately with updated CV, candidate credentials and certificates. The email ID is engineering@inma.com. So friends, if you have any queries, you can contact them. The number is given, and this is for Italy. The position is telecom engineers. Once your CV gets shortlisted, they will approach you. The another position is also posting is also for Italy. It's a long-term job. The positions are piping machine operators or drilling rigs of the following models. So they have mentioned the models. They require piping machine operators or drilling rigs. So friends, candidates having up to 6 years of proven and relevant experience in the position need to submit their documents on projects@inman.com, and you can see the contact number as well. Friend, I would like to correct one thing here. In the previous posting, they have mentioned the email ID wrong. They missed the last letter. It's INDMAN inban.com, like you can see here. So use this email ID and send your documents. This is the only opportunity we have currently for Italy. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video and was useful. So please don't forget to like the video and share your feedback in the comment section. And you can also tell me like whatever topics you want video on. So I will be preparing video for you guys. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow I'll be back with another video on assignment abroad times today. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.